but those snipers were the ones dumping. 17% of the supply that was given to that strategic allocation. Yes, some of them did sell. That's it. There was no team selling any tokens from any other parts of the tokenomics from any one, if not one fucking token. But listen, it's all love. I understand everybody around here is kind of used to the same thing. There's only one way to prove that this is not just like everything else, which is just not give up. Right, and keep going and keep doing everything, you know, that you possibly can, right, to keep it pushing. And the only way that it's a rug or the only way that it's a scam is if you give up on it. And that's the one thing that we can say is no one's given up on this. So over here, or if you want to ask Haley some questions,
it would also be a rug if it went to
Haley
zero,
is somebody who's an incredible person,
even if you kept trying,
and she's had a lot of fun memeing. She really enjoys X. I think we have to really stick with the facts, and we can show all the transactions, right? And we've had them analyzed now. We can show all the transactions. That's the thing, is like the blockchain doesn't lie. And we will publish those transactions. It's not a big deal. It's very confusing reading that stuff, but that's not from the team. Yes, it got 90. Yes, it was 3% in the pool. 97 that was held back. All for really Haley. Most of that for Haley's fans, right? To claim. And there's a long, extensive claim process. But over here, you want to say something or have Haley say something? Go ahead.
No, I mean, I just wanted to be like, you know, obviously Haley's been through a journey, and like, you know, this launch has obviously gone the way it's gone. But yeah, I think that maybe it'd be helpful for the community to kind of hear, you know, Haley's story, because ultimately, you know, like I think part of the reason behind kind of like the coin and stuff like that has been that, you know, there's been a bunch of fake tokens launched, right, off the Hulk Tour meme and IP. I think like everybody resonates with Hulk Tour as a meme. It's like one of the most viral memes of all time. And like, you know, like I think people have been making a lot of money off like derivative works, and you know, people have launched a bunch of fake tokens, which I think kind of speaks to the, I guess, inherent memeability of the meme itself. And you know, I think maybe it'd be helpful. I don't know if Haley's comfortable sharing the kind of original story, and you know, like I think of how things went, and you know, like with the original meme, because I think that kind of helps adding a lot of color to the story here. That you know, people have been constantly trying to make you know, like profit off her IP, and like I think part of this was like her attempt to try and do it right. You know, like obviously we understand we got bundle sniped here. You know, put our hands up and be like, hey, look, like you know, maybe the launch didn't go the smoothest. But like as Doc said, you know, we're going to be kind of showing up every day, trying to run the project. I think Haley's here for the long term. You know, ultimately, like her career is, you know, like just kind of starting, and you know, like you know, she's accomplished a lot of amazing things in this short period of time, and you know, like obviously resonating, you know, really strongly with the global audience. And I think, yeah, I think it'd just be useful for color if you know, Haley was able to kind of share a little bit about that original story, because I think it helps kind of paint the picture here a little bit of how she's constantly tried to like, you know, build community and like use I guess
origin story, right?
What like, she's built.
It's nothing. There's nothing there. Like, it's just she went viral.
Engage the
there's anything more to
and
this
be very
after this part,
inclusive, and you know, like she's done a lot of cool stuff around like charity and like, you know, I think she's like she really cares about dogs and stuff like that. And I think
is it
really
worth
cool
listening to this? Like I feel like listening to her origin story is kind of like
trying to
it's not gonna
do something. You know,
what is this? Yeah,
cool.
Dude, Zack, you didn't miss anything at all, bro.
You know,
nonsense.
Yeah, let's turn this off. If people want to listen to the space, they can listen to it.
To kind of like quote unquote.
Well, everyone is wanting to listen to this.
Get out of here. I'm about to leave if we're keeping this.
The problem is this is dumb now because she's just gonna tell her story.
But I definitely think that it's helpful for the community to have that color.
Okay.
Yeah, earlier when we have FaZe Banks in there going crazy and everyone else going crazy. It's something to react to.
It sounded like there were 8 people talking at once.
Well, there was there.
Yeah, well, yeah, plus us. Like there's way too many people talking.
Yeah, it doesn't really work.
Love where we're starting.
Yes, indeed. So we've got Purge up 22%, just a nice little pump right here, from here to here, as coins liquidated from other plays that we were in that are not as long term, maybe. By the way, ABG struggling to maintain this attack towards the 1.8 million mark that marked its high a couple days ago. But it's also struggling to go lower than 1.3 million. So that's a good sign. So it looks like the new range is now from 1.3 to 1.8. So that's something to look for if you're in the ABG token. Otherwise, there's been a few tokens that have launched recently that people have been excited about. They ultimately all folded. Let's see how Geno-ear, is that what it is? Pretty sure my ear token is down a lot. Is it no-ear or Geno-ear? There it is. Let's see how this is doing. Oh, no. Yeah. Brutal. Yeah, that was not good. Got into... Aurora pumps. Why do I feel like I just did this? Were we on a meeting? Oh, we were on a call earlier. That's why. Okay. I think this is the one.
Okay, hello guys. I was plugging in my socials there, but
Yo.
yeah, what we are looking at.
We're just taking a quick look at Aurora. Yeah, pretty impressive, bro. This is quite a
good pump,
comeback.
right? That's like 1.5x in there,
bro,
from
that is quite literally half the chart has been made up.
2 weeks or less than 2 weeks. Yeah,
insane, dude. Insane. Yeah, I mean, dude, Near Protocol's back at. I mean, if you look at the Near Protocol chart, dude, like we're looking pretty good right now. So, especially if you pull up that 1 year chart. That 1 year chart is impressive. By the way, if you guys are in the stream watching, please help us out. Retweet, quote tweets, like, comment, tag a friend, do all the things. Appreciate it. I see we got Purge in the house.
Let's go.
Purge, you guys were supposed to come to the space today, I thought. I don't know what happened. You guys were supposed to be the special guest. Okay. So in the last year, we pretty much ranged from 250, 280 to $9, right? Or something like that, $8-9. So we're at the top of this channel now, potentially on the cusp of alt season. Some people are saying we might have a big pullback first, but either way, you know, even if we pull back or not, I mean, you're looking at a mountain to climb just to get to prior all-time highs of $20. We should clear those all-time highs by the end of the cycle. So, I mean, this is pretty bullish to me. I think this is, slow and steady before it rips. I feel like probably true. I think Zack said it earlier. He was like, I think $10 near is dialed in.
I think we had a talk about this one on in the podcast on Redacted, and I do still think I would look to break the previous highs early this year of like $9-ish. I think 9.5 something, and then I will look to break the all-time high by the early next year, February, March, something like this. It's looking pretty good so far, stable, and that's something we also mentioned before, me and UK, that Near doesn't move much with like the market movement. It kind of like move a bit separately than the market, how it moves. Doesn't pump really hard and doesn't dump really hard with the market. It has its own like pump and recovery and stuff like this. So that's a good thing. In a way, and I'm actually pretty excited to see what we can accomplish by the end of this month. I do still really hope that we break the all-time not all-time high, we break the highs of Near at early this year, but we'll see how things go from there.
Anybody worried about top signals with Hawk Tua?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I don't know, man. I wish you could listen to what was going on.
Kate, that was the most like 2000. That was such a genuine answer, like just like,
bro, with Bitcoin pumping.
That's what I mean. Like it.
If Bitcoin rips, there's a chance altcoins bleed a little bit. But at the same time, like either way, even if they do bleed or if they don't, we still are nowhere near all-time highs. So I'm not that worried. It's really just a waiting game.
Pull that up, Cade. Could you pull up the Bitcoin chart? I mean, we hit 100K. We might as well.
True. Yeah, congratulations to all of the Bitcoiners out there.
We did it.
Over $100,000 for one Bitcoin. Insane, dude.
Oh,
huge pump today. I felt the energy today. I thought maybe
almost hit 104K.
Yep. We pumped pretty hard, bro. 103.2, 103.3. Yeah, wow, impressive. Yeah, 100,000 on Bitcoin, dude. Insane. What a day. What?
In a way, you need Bitcoin to start, have some retracement for altcoin to like rally. That's what I think it should look like, in my opinion. Yeah.
Someone had a pretty interesting take. They said that they think that this liquidity into the new alts is actually coming from Solana. I think that people are pulling their profits, and that's why Solana's not ripping. It's just kind of steadily rising. But it's still ahead of everybody. So they think that because Bitcoin's not bleeding, they're like, where is this new liquidity coming from? A lot of people are saying Solana. So interesting to think about.
The thing is, what happened with Solana and Pump.fun and things, a lot of people start moving a bit away, because in Solana, like, you get crazy amount of shitcoin launching. Most of it is rug. It's hard to pull a win in Solana now. And I heard a lot of the community in there start moving to Base Network. And there's actually pretty good meme coins in there. I myself put a bag on one of them. But yeah, so maybe people start moving their funds, around and see how things goes. We're not sure yet. But I mean, XRP is doing really good. Blockchain Boy called it the boomer coins. We're like, we're like, some random guy in Web 2, Cardano. Looking at what I want to buy and see, like, the thing is that, yes, right, XRP is ripping. It's nice. I like the. To be honest, I don't hate on XRP. I know they are trying to replace the Swift system, and that's something I don't know if you can accomplish or not. But XRP had 2 cycles at a steady price that you could have invested your money somewhere else and earn so much in returns than holding 2 cycles on XRP. But again, it's the talk of town. It's something that everyone is talking about, and of course, with exposure, you get some sort of like liquidity flowing into it. But I mean, for XRP holder, congrats guys for your wins if you have wins there, because XRP yet to break the all-time high. So that's that. So anyone who bought in the all-time high, I think it was like $3. I think, I'm not sure. I didn't look pretty much at the chart. Will probably start breaking even soon. I myself used to hold a lot of XRP. It's mainly because, and I talked about this one in the space yesterday, Kid. It's because in Philippines, we have digital wallets where we pay like groceries and withdraw from the bank and stuff like this. And these digital wallets supported 2 chain at the start. It was MainETH and XRP. So I used to like hold a lot of XRP because it was just easy to send back and forth. In there, and then this wallet starts supporting NEAR, starts supporting a lot of chain, that digital wallet. So it's basically like a digital bank. So you could create a bank account without needing to go to the bank, and it acts like a bank. You can get a card, physical card, and you can start paying stuff. The only like extra step you need to do is after you send your crypto fund, it's just you have to sell it to the currency of Philippines, which is the PHP. And then you can start paying with stuff. But you can do all of this in like couple steps. It's not that hard. But yeah, I don't know how XRP will go there. I would tell you, if XRP managed to replace Swift system, yeah, it's going to be huge. But can you actually do that? Like, we're not talking about something easy to do, like, you're talking about a system that banks use for years and years and years, like, trying to replace it. I don't know. Good morning, all from UK. Good morning, brother.
Hey, GM. What's up, Bartley?
What do you think, Zach? Do you like XRP? What's your opinion in XRP?
I mean, I was in it for a little bit. I know that there was I liked it more when they were kind of like taking on, when they were going under investigation. It was like, hey, they dipped down, but in my mind they were going to win. They were going to win those lawsuits, which ultimately they did. And I bought in when they kind of like really went down then. And then, they had some different incentives for airdrops and stuff, which most of those proved to be nearly worthless. So that's when I was like, this isn't going anywhere.
I mean, the lawsuit
I don't regret it.
Yeah, I mean the lawsuit against SEC and to get out of the the security coin.
I mean, it was always a little bit shady because they had like the company, like the shell company. It was one of the few. They were unique in that at the time, where they were like the only company or the only token that kind of had like a company or an entity, right? That was like a face behind them almost, like CEOs and stuff. At that time was somewhat, I guess not CEOs, but you know what I'm saying? Like there was actually like a corporation of sorts behind them.
Yeah, I mean, also it was pretty cool that seeing XRP filing lawsuits against all of that and winning it as well. It was a win for crypto in general, for people in the crypto. And I don't know. I bet that costs a lot of money, and there is a lot of talk about them selling tokens and stuff like this, the foundation or something. We don't want to like deep dive. I'm sure we will have a diehard XRP fan now who will jump in and start roasting us. But listen, man, it is what it is.
FAR protocol, not before FAR protocol.
FAR protocol is yet to come. It is what it is, guys. Listen, this is crypto. There is so many coins in crypto. L1, L2s, shit coins, whatever coins you want, there is a coin in it. And if you get a win from any of them, congratulations. It's up how you do it. Yes, Kate.
I got a DM response back from our boy that we were trying to get a response from, asking what token. So either pleading ignorance. Is this a for sure thing?
Yeah.
Which one?
I mean, all indications were, yeah. I mean, maybe you can say the one that was running a contest for logos.
This is something he tweeted recently, right? So I should be able to find it
yesterday
on his timeline.
Yeah, yesterday.
Do we know what it's called?
Yeah.
So I can just send him the ticker name. He tweeted today, right?
Are you talking about Alex?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Don. DONE. Right. I think that's the one.
DONE. Yeah.
No. DONE.
Yeah.
Where are you finding that? I'm trying to find that. Oh, I see. Is it
Department of what is it?
Department of Near Efficiency. Yeah.
Near efficiency. Yeah. He just tweeted
there was like a 50 near bounty up for whoever could come up with the best logo.
Yeah.
I believe.
I'll try to find it for you.
I see. I found it.
You found it?
Don't use that. Yeah. No.
Okay.
Either way. I mean, no. We'd love to.
Yeah, Alex. If you're watching, definitely come through. Love to have you. I was gonna say. Wait. Hold on a minute.
That's a new one.
Zach? Does that message remind you of someone?
Well, yeah. Look at the next message.
Oh. So this is behind the FAR protocol account?
I don't know. What was really funny was, I don't know if you saw during the near alpha space.
It was
they posted down in the comments, so lame, but it got flagged for spam. It was down into the like probable spam section. and which I always check down there because sometimes things get incorrectly placed in that bin.
True.
And it was
All the
them.
time.
It was just a message from Far Protocol saying so lame. So tough look for Far Protocol.
Far Protocol. I wonder what they're gonna do.
I wonder if so you said you were getting raided by Bulla in some of the Wolf spaces and video interviews. Do you think Far Protocol would go to the lengths to start rating you on other platforms as well?
I haven't seen it yet. I think maybe they like someone else. Maybe I'm not the primary target here.
Ooh, we just got a comment from. Oh wait, this isn't it, is it?
Huh?
From Purge on Near, the unofficial account of the AI meme coin.
Yeah. I have my soul. This one,
verified one. It is commented on Soos's post.
Mm.
I'll drop it in the chat so you can pull it up. We can read it live.
I found it. This is it.
Right,
wow.
Yep.
All right. Your charts bleed red. A fitting tribute to Purge. The booth sees your leverage and it demands penance.
Yeah.
Silently judges your stop losses while counting Purge tokens. I don't even know what that means. What's that even mean?
They're going on the ultimate the Purge bear himself, Soos, and they're in here giving him comments, and
it doesn't even make sense, bro. Like,
yeah.
What?
It makes perfect sense.
This man was
Far Protocol in the house.
Oh, here we go. Yeah.
Huh?
Of course, calling it lame.
We can start. Now we can start the show.
Oh my gosh.
This is
we miss you, Far Protocol, man.
Like, we couldn't get into it. We couldn't really. We were.
We were waiting for you.
We're spinning the wheels, wasting time talking about Hawk 2 and nonsense, just waiting for Far Protocol.
Yeah, I mean, tripled our views talking about the Hawk 2 and nonsense, but no big deal.
Did we actually?
I just don't understand. I
have look at the viewer count, dude. It's insane. It was insane.
I'm gonna post it in that but no, that was something to like.
Oh wow.
It was stupid, but it was like
look at that ratio.
That were like,
wow, it's insane.
Watching that shit, just wanting someone to react to it, but
wow.
Fuck them now.
Yeah.
Now we're spending meme coins.
Monza's engagement farming.
We
I mean it's a crypto related, right? It's crypto thing, so you can kind of have a talk about it. If you guys, I didn't know, like me and Zack chatted a little bit about it, like, and Zack was like, people need to stop buying that celebrity coins, man. Man, like, what do you guys expect?
You know what? Make more actually rational investments, like things like Jeter's not allowed, things like the one, things like that. Like that's where we should be going here, right? Like unbelievable. Don't be, just throwing bags at and celebrity coins. Every single one of them does the same thing.
Unless it's Balder. What was it, Balden?
What? Oh, the Baldwin.
King
Baldwin. So silly. Hopefully we get a response here from Alex. Get him on the show, even if it's just for like 5 minutes.
It'll be big. Yeah, Cracker. They definitely did. It was awesome. Things were getting hot, and then they just muted them, and we're like,
Oh yeah. Unfortunately.
I'm looking at the almanac here for Purge. We got 17 hours left on the timer. So
where do I find that?
Another little discussion between the father and operator number 6 coming up in a little bit. Maybe get a little more alpha leaked.
Very nice.
I grabbed a little bit more Purge just for some more confessions. I figured, I do want. There are a couple more things I want to confess. So I grabbed a little bit more Purge.
I love it. What other trades are you eyeing, Monza? Do you have anything that's replaced the EBG or not?
Wait, sorry to cut you off. I think I understand the Purge comment on my
really?
post.
How the heck could you have figured that out?
It's something related to it. to my trading in Puer. But how did he know my wallet, dude? There's no way. Who did leak my wallet?
Oh, who leaked his wallet?
The only one I can think of is one guy down there sitting quietly, looking at two monitor, putting his hand in his mouth, and
I don't need anything.
because he said like your chart bleed red, a fitting tribute to Perch. The booth sees your leverage, and it demands penance. I did try to swing trade.
So this is, they are calling you out. They're calling you
loses.
out. Yeah, that's what this is.
Silently judge your stop loses while counting Perch tokens.
Rightfully so.
I still have hold Perch. I still have Perch token, guys. Okay, I have Perch token. The only one I'm thinking that Zack, do you have any tied up with All Father?
No.
Are you a secret messenger roaming around everyone, gathering data? What's going on, man? The only one knows is you, bro, and the Tenbad DAO. There is no way.
My faith is
Monza is banned, so it's definitely not him. Kid did his first confession the last time, and Jay is busy. The only one I can see right now is you. There is no other finger pointing at anyone except you, man.
Unwavering faith. We get in there, and confessing your sins, laying them down at the feet of the Father. That's what we do.
Okay, Father, I'm gonna confess.
We got the No Ear Squad tonight. We have the No Ear Squad tonight. It's so funny. I feel like every week there's gonna be like a new community. Like the No Ear community now, the Bullet community. How is that Bullet token doing, by the way, guys? We bullish on Bullet?
I'm gonna say, hold on. Before you get in there, I'm going to. All right, let's go around the room. Over under $500 trading volume today.
Under.
Yeah, okay, that was probably too easy. What about $100?
I think it's under 100.
Yeah, I think it's 0.
Oh,
maybe not. Maybe there's some penny bots out there that are.
No, 3. I bet there's 4 buys and 1 sell.
Yeah.
Ready?
25 cent.
Oh wow, 40 buys and 8 sells, bro.
Whoa, big day.
Volume 376. We doubted the Bulla, man.
This is gonna pump.
It is closer than we thought.
Big day.
Dude, I underestimated the Bulla community. This is without a doubt the best coin on Near.
Man. They do have good memes. I'll give them that. They do have really good memes.
Is Bulla the one from Wolf?
Yeah, that Wolf guy. How have we not pulled out
good memes on the timeline?
Meme from earlier though? We got to pull up that meme that featured all of us in it earlier. It was the. I'll find it. It's a banger.
It's a banger.
Absolutely.
Word.
Sounds like it.
Word. All right. Let's take a quick look at meme.cooking. I just want to see if there's anything we should be keeping a second eye on.
Yeah, something to file away. Something to file away for later on.
Yeah, I won't be able to stay on
dessert.
for as long.
Maybe for dessert.
But hopefully. So it says bullish on No Ear and Duct. Duct is still a thing?
No.
Hold on.
Man,
Really? Wait.
Oh my god.
Real quick.
Don't let me start, man. Please don't let me start.
This is the best token in Near. What do you mean?
I thought the community takeover was. Let's see how. 16K volume today.
What? Whoa, that's a lot. Okay. It's up 15%. Interesting. So that's the kind of chart you're playing with.
Also down 30% in the 24 hours, right?
Yeah, I mean it's trending down. It's lower,
what do you
lows,
mean, Duck First meme?
What
do you mean? What do you mean? Black Dragon been doing it for like ages. So.
Yeah.
What do you mean first meme DAO meme coin, dude?
It was like this was just like they didn't plan to do it. Maybe it's the first.
Shizu is doing it as well. It's a DAO community CTO like. Yeah. I mean, I get you guys want to pump your bags, but let's do it properly.
Yeah.
Dude, I think whoever
In
posted
tier
that
two.
meme.
Yeah, in tier is DAO as well.
In tier?
Well,
Or
you
in
can't mention Black Dragon, Shih Tzu, and Intier without also including Duct into that conversation.
Very looks like
What first? What do you mean?
All right, new meme in the chat,
Cap.
Shade.
Cap.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. You might want to watch it first.
what?
Oh no.
What chat or what? What are you talking about?
I put it in the private chat. It's the meme I was talking about before.
Oh.
Wait.
For some reason, my computer's being super slow.
They make it a move. It's moving. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice.
I believe
Oh,
it's
wow.
a no ear. Oh,
Oh my god, it's AI. Why is Ilya in the middle of all the fighting?
yeah. I think all the
What
ears
happened
are
to
getting
the-
chopped off.
What happened to the turkey in the middle? Anything?
Nothing like
Oh,
that's their
he
ear.
grabbed it. All right.
That's hilarious.
What coin you are looking at? We are just circling around the coins in the near ecosystem for now. That's that.
It's so loud. It's so loud.
Survival is near also a DAO.
Hmm.
An open DAO.
Hey, you gotta stop the meme playing.
I can't hear anything you're saying, Monza.
Yeah.
It's like
It
super
sounds
muffled.
like you're talking through a tin can right now.
What are our thoughts on Obbit? What's that? Do you know what this is, Zach?
I do
All right, now
not.
can you hear me?
Yeah, there you go.
OBOT. OBOT.
Damn, what the fuck?
Yeah, so the DAO meme coin is not something new
Yeah,
on
sorry.
your protocol.
We're not trying to like put you on blast here.
Yeah.
Hodler, but
Yeah, so okay, I will
trying to
explain.
set
Like
the
there's a
record
lot of
straight.
a lot of coins that runs by the DAO that include Black Dragon, Shih Tzu,
In
so
tier.
it's in tier as well. Yeah, so it's not like the first one to do a DAO, and the DAO thing in general, not only in meme coin, is also like
Duck was
runs in
the
your
first one to
protocol
Okay.
as
Yeah,
well.
that's
So
fair. That's fair.
yeah. Okay. The first one to me. I hope you did not lose your first one, man.
Yeah,
I do really hope
I guess
you got
depending
a
on when
good
you got
entry
in.
in it. Yeah, I do hope you get a good entry in it. But yeah, we are not trying to blast you, man. Sorry if that came off. We're just saying like it isn't the first DAO, but there is like other meme, and the DAO thing is like not new. Refinance is run by a DAO, by the way.
Yep.
So yeah,
Don't worry.
so yeah.
Don't worry.
I've
If we want to blast you, you'll know because I have done that. Like,
Yeah.
Duck has gotten blasted a couple times before, so we won't revisit that at this time. But
yeah, I hope you're in a win though, man. I hope or you enter it at a good level. That's what I really hope. But welcome to Near Protocol, bro. We are happy to have you. We'll talk about our biggest whale in here. It's not a DAO meme coin space. It's just like a lot of meme coins already done a DAO or a CTO, But Nico, for example, is not a DAO. Yeah, so Nico is not a DAO. There's other meme coin is not a DAO, and there's some are a DAO. But you can explore it, by the way, and like
you could say
circle
that
around the ecosystem.
Near is a DAO meme coin space, maybe not the DAO meme coin space.
Mm-hmm.
But it can be.
Yeah. There are DAO meme coins available. So
True.
Who's in Black Dragon DAO, by the way?
probably wouldn't have started with that's redacted, Soos. Probably wouldn't have started with Duck, but hey, everybody has different entries. There's a lot of things that I wouldn't have if I could redo my whole crypto journey. I wouldn't have started in either. So.
Yo, what happened to WoW, bro? This was supposed to pump. Ilya was supposed to be behind this. There was supposed to be all this support from all these important people, and it went straight to zero.
I think maybe what happened
Bro.
is that some of those like the Doge tweets and everything was more like an intense thing, like the real intense, not the coin, not the shit coin intense, but like the actual project of like the abstraction and being able to kind of like on ramp different chains and stuff. I think it was like teasing at some things with that, and perhaps somebody saw an opportunity to make this, and it's like, oh, everybody's already tweeting this stuff anyway, let's spin up a coin. And I mean, it kind of picked up some momentum, rallied, and maybe the jig was up.
Yeah,
I don't think it was a random guy, because the hard cap was set at 2,000 near, and the soft cap was at 1,000 near. That thing went live in like couple minutes only. So maybe it was a random though, but a random will not know that you can reach a 2,000 cap on this one.
Well, it was, I wouldn't say
just
random. It was somebody who was paying attention one way or another.
Yeah.
I mean, somebody who had their finger on the pulse. Of
Yeah. I mean, like someone knows his thing. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. To be honest, I'm kind of like, I always do the same, man. So it went to all-time high. I was up. I bought the entire dip. Like the super down dip, and I was up like 150%. I was like $500 in profit, but I really thought it's gonna rally to 100,000. I kept holding, sold half, kept half. At the end, I went out with a little bit profit. I didn't lose on it. I actually made a bit of money on it, but isn't it like crazy as what it was, when it was at all-time high? But because I exited at the like bottom dip, but I did get profit along the way up, so that levels that. But yeah, I don't know, man. Wow is wow. We're moving on to the next one, which is Alex one from the Aurora, right? Do you guys have any date on it? I know it's gonna be like 1 p.m. UK time. It's gonna be. It's gonna choose the logo, right? That's approximately in UTC. That's 9. 1 p.m. UK time is UTC time as well, right? Because they are +00. I'm +8 on UTC. So yeah, so 1 p.m. UTC, I think, which is UK time. Is UTC and UK time is the same.
But I mean, is that confirmed, or is that
Yeah, I think that's
speculation?
No, he said at 1 p.m. UK time he's gonna like review the submission of the.
Oh yeah, for the logos,
logo.
for the logos.
Yeah,
but that
so,
doesn't mean that that's when the coins.
No. Yeah. It's not launching at this time. It's just you. After he choose the logo, you expect to launch afterwards, right? So something afterwards. So you guys have a rough estimation when it's gonna be, but to review the logos. It's gonna be like 1 p.m. UK time. Sorry, I wasn't clear about this one at the start, but he started which wallet.
Feel free to come on and clear it up too. By all means, we don't want to be spreading false information.
Yeah. Yeah, I also stated the wallet.
Let's see.
Ending
response somewhere else. No.
If you look at ending, nobody.
No, what is that?
I think it's near Mudang.
Oh, is that?
Oh, there we go, dude.
Wow.
See, this is the thing. If when we were in Thailand, we had visited Mudang and got content with
I did.
Mudang.
I have pictures of Mudang. Yeah. To be honest with you, don't understand what all the hype was about. Mudang was the least interesting part of that entire zoo. That zoo was unhinged, and Mudang was the most boring part of the whole deal. I have no idea what the attraction is.
I mean,
they have a sick art,
maybe that's
man.
the thing, right? Like they needed to bring more people to the hippo part because no one was really fucking with them.
I mean, it was the hippo. It wasn't even the best hippo.
I bet.
But the art was nice. Did you guys see the art? I'm not sure if they're the one who created the art or they pull it somewhere. But I like the art. I like the hippo art, to be honest. I think it was good. I traded this one, got some profit from it, but I swing traded it.
What did you like about it?
I just like the art, how it's look like. I don't know how to explain it. What do I like? But yeah. I think it looks nice. That's what I saw. I don't know anything about the team. I don't know anything what they are doing or whatsoever. I look at some of the pictures in there. I was like, okay, that looks cool. So I went in with a bag and got out when things got rough. I think I made a bit of money on it. Not sure actually how my trade went. It's mainly I just trade a lot of coins going up and down. So that's that.
Well, yeah, I mean, those are really the options, right? You trade coins, they go up or go down. So
Yeah.
like, I don't know. Sometimes
No. I mean, with
you know,
like scalp trading or swing trading, you need a high volatile token
Oh, it's
to
right
like
here.
get a good.
This is the play.
that's a different one though. That's Moodang. That's
No, bro, this is
ticker
the play.
symbol Moo. That's,
Yeah, that's a fake thing.
whoa, proof
Oh,
of
dude.
vibes dot near.
Monza launched this one for sure.
Oh, this is a test. This is a test. Buy at your own risk.
We're popping this one for sure.
No, look at the description. This is a test. Buy at your own risk.
That makes me want to buy, dude. Hold on.
Yeah, it does make me want to buy. I'm not going to.
Proof of vibes.
I don't know if I will, but
Well, actually, I know what this is.
Test tokens do always pump. I mean, that's true.
This is 100% a test token.
Got to be quick. Poppy, yeah. Definitely got to be quick. In and out.
I don't know, bro. I feel like this is just slime dropping this token.
J-Lou.
What do you think, Monza? You getting in this?
No.
All right, let's move on. What else we thinking?
Buying no memes tonight. Saving my bag for Friday. Soos, what would we be saving a bag for Friday for? Any ideas?
Yeah, so there is a token sale for Rhine this Friday from Jump DeFi. The token sale will be on DeFi. You will be able to buy the token in Jump DeFi. So this is the thing. Jump DeFi is waiting for the final audit. So if it got audited, you will be able to trade, to buy the allocation and trade it from Jump DeFi using the chain abstraction to base. Okay, so the thing is, the token will launch on base and it will launch on near as well. So like it's 30%, 15% of each allocation will be on each chain. But if the audited is not done in Friday, it's gonna be launched on with the refinance liquidity pool.
Yeah, we got this comment from Slimy Rugger down there saying Proof of Vibes will launch Vibes soon. Not sure how public that is, but that's what I was thinking when I saw that wallet. It is probably just Proof of Vibes boys actually testing out the product. They're getting ready to launch a little something. So say keep an eye out for Vibes.
Love it. Keep an eye out, everyone. Sorry, I'm setting a couple alarms so that I wake up tomorrow, so I miss my flight. Okay.
Jack Deeper still diamond handing. Jeter's not allowed.
Dude, this is hilarious.
He understood the assignment. He's holding true to the core values.
This token, could you imagine if this just came roaring back from a 4K market cap? And then like all the people who held just get to be like, didn't cheat.
Yeah.
Like, dude, that'd be such a win story.
Oh, man, I'm sorry. Did you cheat? No wonder. That's why you're not here anymore. You weren't allowed to be here.
It's Proof of Vibes is their at. Let's see what this looks like. It's about vibes. It's Proof of Vibes. Sorry, it's Proof of Vibes. I don't know what else I think.
Is that an XRP project?
I followed them. Oh, look at that.
Not this. I was talking about the other one.
Yeah, probably. Vibe. Oh, yeah, it looks like it is coming soon. 4 hours ago.
Vibes coming soon.
Oh, yeah.
Support the Vibes. 2025, the year of the Vibes.
Definitely right.
Could we get a New Year's launch?
I remember
pretty vibey, if you ask me.
I remember interview. I remember doing an interview with what was his name? Rust, I think. Me and Nono back in like
Yeah.
a year ago, and he's I think he still had the proof of vibe thing. He was like talking about it, but good to see that he's gonna launch a token. See how things go in there. Definitely something. There are some tokens we need to keep an eye on. Okay, how you're gonna manage that while you are traveling?
Keeping up with tokens.
Yeah, there are some good tokens coming out. One from Alex, one from Rust, one.
Honestly, I'll probably miss it. I'll probably literally just miss them. I don't know how else.
You can snipe it with Slime Bot, right?
Can I?
Yeah. So the thing is, like, it doesn't work 100% perfectly, but when it get added to meme.cooking, there is an option called Snipe at Lunch, and it's just gonna auto buy you when it launch the
What
liquidity
about an auto
pool.
sell?
Huh?
How about an auto sell?
You need to set a trigger sell for it, which is pretty easy. I use trigger a lot.
Okay, because I'm not even gonna know when it's dropping.
You just like set up a sell order at probably your entry target. So let's say you enter at 10,000 market cap, for example, and you set a sell order at 12,000 market cap. So if the token drop below the 12,000 market cap, it auto sells for you. You don't lose anything. That's the beauty of like using the bot for trading than manually doing it on Refinance.
Gotcha.
You can automate all your, even like trigger sell. You'll put it like, if it reach 100,000 market cap, I want you to sell 50% or 100% of the token. Below this market cap, you can sell 100% of the token, and so on.
To be honest, bro, I'm just gonna rely on Monza to text me.
He's just gonna copy. Oh no, that's what you can do in the bot. You can just copy trade Monza.
Yeah.
Oh, can I really?
Oh yeah, you can do that as well. Yeah.
Is that a good idea, Monza?
There are 100% people that are buying tokens when I sell them, and I see it, and I am now reverse copy trading you. So sometimes I just sell a token just to watch people buy it and then watch it pump and then sell a little more and buy it. Dude,
that's hilarious.
You gotta switch it up, right? Like you guys are too obvious at this point. Like I see you. Once I got that message in the purge TG and it was somebody sending me my confession, I was like, oh wait, let me test out this bot and see what it can do. I was like, oh, okay, well, we're gonna take advantage of this. If people are copy trading me, dude, we're gonna reverse copy trade the copy traders that are copy trading me.
Yeah, I'll definitely not be copy trading Monza then. That's pretty complicated.
Do you wanna copy? You can copy trade my. You can copy trade my wallet, kid, if you want. It's unknown.
Honestly, bro, I don't know how hyped it's gonna be. I don't know. Look, I think Alex is a dope person, probably, but I have no idea how hyped the token is gonna be just because he's dropping it. I mean, Ilya himself dropped a token on stage and it crashed within a day. So I'll be paying attention. If Monza texts me, I'll be on my phone. But it depends like what we're doing out there. I don't know what the vibes are going to be. I've never been to Art Basel. I know it's like mainly side events is what I heard. So if it's mainly parties and stuff, then I'm not sure what I'll be doing there. But I don't know what to expect. We'll see. If anyone's been to Art Basel, let me know. Dude, oh my God, this janitor is terrible. Good grief. This is depressing. Let's look at something else. Let's look at something positive, bro. Something that's winning. Shih Tzu. Just look at this Shih Tzu chart, bro. I get dopamine when I see this thing. Good God. What a freaking chart. Literally just up only. Literally up only, bro. What a chart. That is so ridiculous.
It's a pretty good one. Oh man, I only slept 2 hours because of Zack, guys. So I'm just gonna keep yawning the entire time.
What did I do? What did I have to do?
He kept us awake. He kept me awake until like 7 a.m.
What?
Or 8 a.m. because of the meeting. And then I'm throwing him under the bus. What I'm doing?
I was gonna say, did Soos say he wanted to the meeting?
It's funny. I'm actually like not even like, dead serious. I'm sitting as you're saying this. I'm like tweeting off of like a meme of you with the Purge outfit on. So that's like actually what I was.
I knew you're plotting something. I know you're plotting something. Man, I'm telling you guys, this Zack
You
have
could
some
sense it.
deep connection with All Father, because no one know the secret except the DAO member. Like literally no one. Okay, and the DAO member are 5 guys.
I'm just trying to
Monza
figure
is
out.
kicked out.
Yeah, just
I
trying to
was
get in the
kicked out.
clergy. I'm trying to get in the clergy.
Yeah.
That's what we want.
Cade doesn't know much because he did the last confession the last time, and Jay is just busy. And I know Jay is not into it because he have a big confession to do it. So we know Jay is out of the picture. The only one makes sense here is Zack. There is no other option. You tell me, Cade. You tell me how this one will go out from the group. Do you think Zack have some All Father?
Bro.
Do you think Zack have some All Father account management stuff? I don't know, man. I start thinking now that he's like in the circle, you know.
No.
Zack Link, that's so sweet. So many things. Are we having? Okay. What is the link to it?
Brace yourselves, not for the day, but for
This
the
is
moment when
an
everyone knows.
insane thread we got going right here from Web3 plug. 109 projects on near protocol building cool shit. If you haven't checked that out, definitely pull this up.
Bro, are these projects still going?
But it's probably better than any of the other lists, but I don't know. We'll see, right?
Three tweets in 4 months. Wow. Oh wait, we have more than one RWA company. This is near? Interesting. D3, I know these guys, yeah. El Cafe Cartels and RWA, I guess so, yeah. Oh, cool. Very nice. Do you guys use this nightly app?
I do not.
I feel like I have, but
I do. I used it for a bit.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, Bender's calling you to confess, Soos.
I confess a lot, guys. I never confess from my main account. That's a thing. I don't want people to know my main account. I mean,
Why?
I don't want people to know my confession in
Like
main
backdoor
account.
confessionals, which
Yeah.
kind of defeats the
Okay.
purpose.
I have my account. I think no one knows this wallet except like 3 people. You know what, Monza? I'm looking at you now. Because you are one of the people who know this wallet.
Oh.
It's Monza, literally Monza, Nathan, and Luke. The only people know this wallet. And this
Dude, I'm
wallet
just
was
sitting
never
here
had any
looking at this
transaction
one.
with any other wallet. It's freshly funded from an exchange. Like, you can never track it to me. So it's either Monza leaked it or Zack leaked the conversation. One of these two. I'm not throwing hands here, guys. I'm just being, I'm just thinking. I'm not throwing any hands here.
I think they just watched the show and they just know that you cheated and that you trade with Bitcoin, right? I think that's another way to interpret it as well. Is just that like he buys,
Yeah.
he buys a lot.
Spit on that here.
Oh, dude, this video is legendary.
Hi everyone, it's been a while since
Oh wait, no,
I'm right
Chris
here.
Perkins.
Watching history be made. Hi everyone, it's been
What is the rest of this video?
4 minutes.
Wait, what is this? It's a 4-minute it's one of these kind of videos where it's like edited for like 9-year-olds. I mean, they're still entertaining, but all right. So I don't know. It doesn't look like we're gonna get the Alex token dropped on Meme.Cooking. So I doubt there's anything really heavy.
Well, definitely
going
not tonight.
So tonight. So yeah, I don't think there's gonna be anything crazy dropping. We're also not gonna be awake during that time. Like I'm gonna be.
No, I'm gonna be
I gotta
fully
jump off
awake.
earlier, so
That time is my time. That night time, you know, me in the night time, I will be like,
oh, I
So
thought
how,
that's
chilling.
how many hours from now is the 1 p.m. thing?
it's 6 hours from now. Six
Okay, so
hours
yeah, I
from
mean,
now. Yes.
Yeah, we'll be out.
You'll be awake, Monza. You'll be. I think you're. Most of you will be up. I think, guys. If it didn't drop in, like, I think most of you will be awake. But anyway, I will trade for you guys. I take 10% fees on doing it, and 20% if from the profit. So 10% of your entry, and then 20% of how much profit I get you. Soos hedge fund.
Soos, bro, what happened to freaking ABG, bro? What? Like,
I don't know, man. You have Monza here, ABG ambassador. Monza, what's your thoughts on this one, bro?
Why is it slowing down so much?
ABG. I mean, hey, like we're not really worried about it. We're at 1.3 million. You know, what other tokens that launched a week ago are doing anything like this?
Purge.
So I saw, yeah, right. But well, that was
Okay.
Purge has an extra what,
Different.
3 weeks on ABG. So let's see. I'm not saying that ABG is going to be at 28 mil. If it is, you guys might not see me anymore. But you know, let's just give it a little time. Let's give it a little time. Let's give Erica a little time to cook. Every time I see a dip, like look, all those dips just get absolutely eaten back up, right? So
wait, there is a token just launched while we are talking, guys. It's called Woo.
Called what?
Woo.
Huh?
Mhm.
What are you typing?
Woo. WOOs. Woo.
about that.
Woo. I don't know I don't know how to say it in an accent that you will get it. I don't know.
on meme,
Drop
The
this
creators who brought you WoW, we now present Woo.
Literally. Is it actually the same?
I don't know. It's been up for a long time. It's not just created. I just saw the liquidity alert on it. Oh yeah, it's been there for a while. Oh damn, it's been there since like March.
Oh.
But I just got a new liquidity pool created. Okay, so possibly someone added to the liquidity pool, or someone added a liquidity pool. So
Come on, Soos.
tell me the truth, Soos. What's up, Bender? Tell
Just
me,
trying
bro.
Soos trying to recycle old alpha.
Bro,
You're
I
trying
will
to give
tell
us
you,
stale
Bender, you know
alpha
what
'cause you won't give
happened?
us the new stuff.
I will tell you what happened, Bender. What happened is Zack is a double agent.
Oh.
Zack is a double agent, man.
Oh.
That's what happened.
Ow. Ow.
Because it's a private chat. There is no way someone knows.
Knows what?
Woofy,
Woo?
something related to orderly.
Oh, not a meme coin.
Woofy the Dex, you mean the cross swap Dex? Yeah, I don't know. It's just someone created added to the liquidity pool. So I thought it just launched now, but someone just added a liquidity pool to it. So
yeah. By the way, guys, if you have any other links or charts you want me to pull up, just let me know. And then for anyone who's listening, if you want me to pull up anything or any charts, comment it below as well. I'm probably going to go another like 15 minutes.
Well, and you know, there are a couple of reminder, just there are a couple bounties up for grabs, right? There's the Alex bounty of 50 near for
the art, yeah,
done art, and then there is the slime bounty for the meme coin that does the most volume in the bot, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So the slime competition, competition is just We will revise it again. We'll just look at it again. But it's basically for anyone who's launching a meme coin every week. There gonna be some sort of like incentives for the best performing one, and it should not be rugged. So that's that. So we are looking at it right here. There will be 30, 20, and 10 years to go for number one. And number 2 and number 3. If you can pull up my screen shares, Kate, please. And the metric will be trading a volume in BetterBot. So you have to use BetterBot to be qualified for this one. Okay, so not you have to use it. I mean, what he's gonna track is the users in BetterBot. So the more users you have trading your token through BetterBot, that counts for the competition. Anyone trading outside that BetterBot is not being counted. And if it reach $1 million in trading volume, the reward is going to be doubled. This will run from in a weekly basis. So, and it counts as well last month, 24 of the last month. So for both events, the coin is eligible if it was launched on November 24 and after. So yeah, good luck, guys. Be creative, please, with your launches. You know, like get something nice. You know, we're gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna try to make money, and I'm gonna dip out unless I likes it. So. Me, I say it publicly. Someone here sitting with us doesn't say it publicly, so that's that.
Yeah,
but yeah, shout out to Slime and the bot. I talk with Slime. I DM him some stuff. He's consistently updating it. Just remember, guys, the bot is still on beta. Slime is updating it all the time, trying to fix any bugs. So if you have a bug, please report it. If you think something didn't work properly, please report it. It's gonna just be easy for him to fix it and better experience overall for everyone who's using it. Unmute your wallet. No, I don't think so. It's just gonna be the BetterBot because the competition is for BetterBot. So you have to use the BetterBot.
Yo, question here. So, what do you guys think is missing from? Not missing, but what could be missing / what could have an opportunity to play here in terms of branding and memes? Like in my head, I'm thinking. Like on the way up for Solana, when Solana went from the poor person blockchain that everyone made fun of to slowly becoming that like A-team chain that everyone wanted to trade on. Like along that way, they had multiple brands and companies take off on the Solana chain, and then multiple like the Solana phone, Bonk, like a couple just crazy memes. So in my head, I'm like, okay, so I imagine along the way to there was a bunch of smaller versions of that. So there's got to be some kind of like either the figure behind the project, like the founders, like someone that people love and just electric, like Frank D Gods kind of thing. But I wonder what's missing from some of the communities that is holding it back from one of these tokens just absolutely sending to like, I don't know, 50 million and holding just because the branding is there and people just want to vibe. Like what is missing? Is it the why are there so many cheating, bro? Like we can't even get a project called Jeter's Not Allowed to not bid. Like, bro,
you're talking about like the meme coins in the ecosystem.
Hold on. I think for one, it's people, right? Like with Purge, you saw at least what we think is an influx of new people, right, that are buying the coin, and the liquidity, right? Like a ton of liquidity dumped into this token, and then like. Two, it's what are these coins doing, right? Like we get that Purge is supposed to be the AI coin, and they're doing some cool stuff. But if they deliver something that's insane, right? Like this coin's gonna pump. Like right now, it seems like a pretty novelty type thing, right? Like these Twitter Spaces are cool, and there's people in there talking and whatever. It's these two AIs talking back and forth. But if we want this coin to go to 100 million, we're gonna need something more than that, right? Like. Even just these little projects, like if someone delivers something as cool as or as simple as cool merch, right? Like if you have a token that is and you're just producing cool merch, and it's getting shipped out regularly, and people can buy it. Not just like one drop, but people can buy your token and buy the merch, and then there's other things involved, right? Like things like that. Just a team that's doing cool shit and delivering on it, like that's what we need, right? Like I say it all the time, like invest in people and coins and projects that are building cool shit.
Yeah,
I think that's what we still need in the memes, right? Like Nico's doing their thing. It's going to be cool. Joan, same thing. And Black Dragon, they have all their stuff going on. Like I mentioned, merch, like we're supposed to be getting merch from them. They got the NFTs, and there are projects that are doing cool things. And those are the ones that are, that we don't need to pull up every 5 minutes and worry if they're at zero, right?
Yeah, but there was a time. I mean, there was a time that that was happening.
Right, absolutely.
Obviously now, they've kind of graduated from that, and we're no longer concerned about that anymore. But that took some time to get there, and trust. But I think again, even sometimes you see things where it, for whatever reason, it's a little bit of a herd mentality where all it takes is a couple people, and especially when you're playing the game day after day, and in one of these cycles, when you keep doing it, and then you've kind of you've lost at the roulette table a couple times, you get a little more gun shy, you get a little bit more right, like you start seeing a couple of those cells, it's like, oh no, here it goes again, and then those people go, they fold, and then it just starts kind of a chain reaction of people folding because they've had bad experiences. And that's why I went on a little bit of a rant before, because it sucks. It kind of ruins the fun for everybody. It kind of ruins all of it when there's these rugs, but there's a PTSD that's associated with that. And if anything, I mean, it's not conducive to bringing people on board. It's actually steering people away. So.
I mean, okay. I think I touched on this topic a lot before, and I have a mixed feeling of it, but you're talking about the meme coins in general, that having utility or not having a utility just for fun on Near protocol, right? The thing is, like, Near community, we went through a rough patch in bear market in Near protocol that divided the community heavy, and a lot of people left Near. Okay, things wasn't like there wasn't a lot of things like Near have always been building, but in community wise, we struggle in bear market. And the thing is, like, when it's come to meme coins, listen, a meme coin is meant to be just for the meme. That's 100% correct. By the way, do you guys still hear me? Mic check. Yeah. Okay. So a meme coin is meant to be as a meme, just for fun. That didn't mean to have a utility backing it up or whatsoever, right? But the thing is with Near community, and I think Zack and Monza touched on it a bit, is like, we don't have the culture of what Sol have, and the liquidity. Okay, you guys need to factor in it how much liquidity we have in the community, that they are willing to throw money on a coin for a pump and dump and then move on to the next one. Okay, that's what you need to look at. Does the community have that much liquidity? I mean, you see yesterday WoW was popping off, and then suddenly Alex talked about something about dropping a coin, and everyone was just selling WoW, so they have funds to get into AlexCon. And before WoW, everyone was jeting ABG, they were jeting GLU, they were jeting Neko, they were jeting Jump, just to get into WoW coin, right? So there isn't much liquidity for people to gamble in a coin. So some sort of Near community build up some sort of like a defense mechanism of like, I want to throw my money on something I know I'm gonna get return of it, right? I don't want to throw it in a 50-50, and not all of them, but a lot of them in this way. And Near community is split into two: people who want utility coin and people who want just a meme fun engaging coin. You can't push something that is not ready yet for the culture, right? And I don't think the near protocol community in general, okay, are ready for it. A lot are, but a lot also they are not, and the near community, I feel they are more into like tech heavy, and in there because they like the chain and they don't want to see it, transferring to other thing. But at the same time, it's nice to have fun and engaging thing going
and as
on,
we've
right?
discussed this before. It's not like you can only have one or the other. I mean, it's okay to have both. And like, guess what?
Exactly.
Like, you don't have to be involved in both, but they're both available and it's both fine. And actually, it's a sign of more of a healthy ecosystem when like both can exist and not feel like the other one is like infringing on their turf. It's like
exactly, yeah.
It's not like this is like a dive bar where like the people are grumpy that it's like, man, now there's new people here having too much fun.
Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, and that goes also for the content, right? And goes for a lot of things. The chain need to be versatile. You can't focus on one area because you only target one specific people. You need to spread out. You need to have, like, for example, a tech heavy content, a fun content. People can choose what they wanna be like. You can't I just want to, for example, target a tech heavy people. That's what I'm gonna focus on, so the chain all will be a tech heavy chain. It's not gonna succeed, man. The beauty of it is having a versatile project, versatile content, versatile meme coins, and just everyone finding the right place for them, everyone finding where it fits. It's fine if you don't like utility coin, you like for the meme culture, that is completely fine. You can that's your thing. And for example, my thing, I like to hold into utility coin. I like meme coins for the culture. I trade them. I don't hold them in my wallet. I just trade them for the fun of it. That's another thing. So it's fine for whatever you like. Not everyone likes the same thing, and that's fine. It's just, I think people need to stop focusing on I am right, you are wrong. I am right, you are wrong. This is right and this is wrong, and just try to come together as a whole community. And everyone just do his thing and have fun. People may have fun doing tech heavy stuff, and other people may have fun jumping on a camera and shit talking other people. It's just that's how it is. You don't get something to focus on one thing, and that's how I want it to be. That's completely wrong way to approach it in terms of marketing, in terms of a lot of things. You can't get a lot of adoption if you focus on one single-sided vision, right?
Kate, I got something. If you let me share my screen, maybe.
Share it. Is it me?
No. I think this is relevant kind of with what we were talking about. I was going to go through some of the submissions so far for the done logo and see what the panel here thinks.
Let's do it.
So ultimately, right? So this is what he was looking for. Dude, a green check mark, No, this was like a mock-up, right? So this was a green check mark inside the Aurora triangle. 50 near to the winner. So
like those marketing campaigns where it's we need a graphic designer.
Yeah.
That's the version of that.
Love it.
All right. Look at these.
All right. Dude, there's not some bad ones. I mean, this is going to be pretty difficult to narrow down, I think.
He did mention he don't want AI generated one. So that's something he mentioned it. Yeah.
You can tell usually still. A lot of times. Is it all there is?
Oh no, wait, hold on.
There is I think a new tweet.
There's a ton. I was on the wrong tab. I was on the wrong tab. Here, let me switch tabs. Here we go. Aurora color and typography.
There is go to the tweet with when he said 1 p.m. he will review submission. That's he asked people to submit their new logos in there.
Yeah, I know. So I'm here. I'm at the right one now. There's like a ton in this page. I just started out on the wrong tab.
Big fan.
This one is nice.
It gives me like US dollar vibes a little bit though, you know? Like the $1 bill with the pyramid on the back.
Hmm.
The Aurora
like
Borealis.
I like
the
just
little
the,
Aurora Borealis in the background.
yeah.
Not bad.
Here we go.
Best one.
No, yeah, look at the response. No, sorry.
Oh, here we go. He's gotta go with the portfolio next.
Oh yeah, this guy's just You're free to compete alongside others. This is a community activity. Yeah, man. Like, sorry, pal. Make a submission.
Mm.
Not vibing.
Not in line with Aurora brand book. I love this. There's feedback here too, so this is even better.
I don't know.
Can't imagine this being a vector. Yeah, check mark is offset. Yeah, detailed feedback. No, I do like the ones that are just a flat no, like no, like and no further explanation, just no.
No. Here we go. That's close.
That's cool. I like that one.
I feel
That's
like
very
I
nice.
wish the check mark was connected though at all corners. You know, like
You think so?
like if it's connected.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. So in general, okay, but a bit flat. Like it is something's missing. Something is missing here.
Some depth.
Variation too. Oh, here we go. A little more refined. Yeah, that's a little bit, but that's quite a bit better than the one before.
Like a little connected there. I like that.
Yeah.
See, but if you made it like a diamond at the top, then it would look kind of Ethereum like, you know?
Yeah.
I think what's missing so far is putting your own spin on it, you know, like Alex write a paper like how he wanted to look like, but everyone is trying so hard to like get it as close as the paper without like trying to like spin it off a bit to something, their own personal touch on it, you know?
Some originality.
Yeah, exactly.
I agree. Oh,
I kind of like this one.
It's cool. I like that.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I kind of like that too for some reason. It's kind of
this one nice.
It's kind of funny. Nice. Yeah, I like that one.
I feel like we've seen that one.
Yeah, we saw that. Oh.
I don't know.
Black one's okay.
I do like the bottom.
I feel like it's like a place that I'm going to like get copies done. Like it's like a copy center.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, so clean.
Yeah.
Much wow. Much wow. Oh. All right. All right. Interesting.
Sorry.
Cut down. Brutal.
All right.
Interesting.
I like this person trying, like, despite there being a deadline of tomorrow or Wednesday, Thursday, I guess. This person tried to get an extension here.
That's hilarious.
Hey, it doesn't hurt to ask.
Yeah, right. You can only.
He is gonna have to choose one, otherwise you'll have to postpone. Right? I've seen a lot of people postpone.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if there isn't a definitive decision, then it's like, hey, reach out to the people that said they could do it on Monday. That's not bad. This is like I don't know, kind of gives me like Colorado, like mountain vibes.
Yeah, we back in like 2 seconds.
This looks like the recycle symbol. What do we think?
Not about it.
Did he put it upside down?
Yeah, it would appear so. It certainly would appear to be upside down. Yes. Sorry, sir. AI generated options are not good. I guess that's why. Okay. Too fancy.
Ooh, I did like that one. Hold on, scroll back up real quick. This one right here. So it's a little different. This is the first time we've seen someone kind of do their own thing. Maybe give it a little bit more sauce here, and we've really got something going. Like, I mean, the end should just be the near logo, right? Like,
too much green stuff eats my eyes. Dude, that's what I was saying about the MetaPool site. Like that website just like devours your eye. Like you're blind for 5 minutes after going there. Yeah, I feel like we saw that one.
So many repeated one. This is nice. With the O.
Didn't realize how many variations there could be of just a green triangle with a check mark in it. Like there's really is quite a few different ways to do it. Oh, this isn't bad. This isn't bad at all. Don't hate that.
I don't like it.
Of course, Soos fading.
I think this is. Come on, we need some some originality, man.
Don't take a picture of a picture. Like just send the file. I don't.
This is the okay one.
Needs to be refined. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's the end of the. I don't know. I don't know if we saw any that would be.
This is a good marketing, you know.
It
like
is.
Not
really
only
cool.
like getting the logo, but the marketing on this one is pretty genius, right?
I would love to
you get that thing out.
Maybe we need to put up a bounty for the 10 bot logo, and see if what we could get. Right? I mean, this is cool. I'd love to just sort through logos the whole time.
You know what? We can do that. I don't know where is Monza at it with this one, but we can actually do that.
I mean, I messaged Naughty. They
how did we get back to the purge? How did we get back into the purge sheet?
We are in the purge sheet.
I know this. I didn't go here though. I think
Cade is still around the mic. Yeah.
Oh, I think when I stopped sharing, it just went straight to Cade's.
No, I clicked it right before I brought my camera back.
Oh, Slime says there's more threads with it. Are there any?
That's a good idea. We should see, but we should put out some details about what we're looking forward to.
Yeah, for sure. Because we could get some pretty wild submissions.
I think that's a good idea, though. Yeah. Ooh, Illuminati vibes. By the way, guys, I got about 8 minutes.
Department of No Ear Efficiency is another one here. It's actually pretty funny.
Zach, have you collected .near domains?
No, I'm not into that. I don't really understand it. You know,
either.
It seems like I don't know. It's like
I own so many brands, bro. I got so many, like Planet Fitness, Spirit Airlines, like all these random companies. I was like, just in case.
In case what?
I don't know, bro.
In case near becomes like the national like reserve currency or what? Like I don't.
I don't know.
I don't know what we're like. I don't know. It's like it's like people that are hoarders. It's like, what are you hoarding?
I hold like 100 of them. Literally,
you know. Okay, that thing you said there, Zach, is actually what I think of before until Nono sold one of his thing for 1,000 near.
1,000 near?
Yeah.
Whoa.
What was it and why? Like who? Like that. Why?
Yeah, if you can open Nemsky for a bit, there's actually two domain got sold for 1,000 near.
What was it?
I will show you. Can you open and I will share. Give me a second.
Oh, RIP.
So basically, guys, if anyone is like doesn't know what we are talking about, you can when you create a wallet on Near, you can basically mint it with a domain on it, and Nemsky or Nemsky allows you to mint your wallet as an NFT. Okay, so you create a wallet and you mint it as an NFT, and that allows you to sell the wallet as an NFT. And this is the crazy part, because the way Near protocol tech works is that you can rotate your seed phrase and you can rotate your private keys as fast as like couple seconds only, right? So that's allow you to like do cool stuff like this. That allows you to like, sorry, Michael is just banging the door. That allow you to like create some cool tech like this, which is basically creating a wallet for free and minting it and as an NFT with MEMECOINS, and then sell it to the person, and that person will get it and will generate a new seed phrase and a new private keys. So if you could like look at the best sold, okay, and then top sales, you can see that this one got sold for 1,000 Near. DevHub got sold for 1,000 Near. Okay, I'm not gonna say which one is Nono one, but one of them was for Nono one. And you can see how much, like 205. This one got sold for like 205 Near. 80.Near got sold for 200 Near. So some people are into getting some cool domains like this, you know.
It kind of feels to me a little bit like the people like during COVID that just like bought up like pallets of hand sanitizer to try to like sell. Like, I don't know. To me, it's kind of this. Maybe that's a little extreme, but I
would tell you something. I would
like,
pay. It depends on what you are into. Like,
you're buying stuff that you're not trying to use. Here's my problem. You're buying things that you don't need and you're not trying to use. So like, it just seems a little wasteful, and like you're just trying to make a buck on some. Like, I don't know. I just don't.
No. It's like owning. It's no different than owning a gadget. You buy the gadget because you like it. You can buy some piece of art, for example, put it in the wall and it's expensive. You can buy a gadget and you like it. And some people buy the domain because they like owning a nice domain, a wallet that they can use. It's actually
that's not what's happening.
Listen, if like 80.Near, I think it's pretty cool one. I would put 20-30 Near on it to get it, for example.
Yeah,
like,
see, I like what Slime's saying here. He bought an account with 1,000 hot, thinking it would end, the mining would end soon, and now it's worthless. So yeah, just like all these wallets, you buy all these wallets, and they're mostly worthless. So congrats.
It's not worthless if you are using it, bro. What do you mean?
Who's using it? Nobody's buying to use it.
What they are buying it for? You are using it. You buy it as an NFT and then you rotate your keys and you are using it as a wallet. You basically buy the wallet. Like, I can now buy one.
Buying, but it's just like,
okay. How come you are not using it then?
So what do you think about all this?
Because I don't need 80 million wallets. I don't need this many wallets. I haven't. It's just like you don't need a pallet of hand sanitizer. You know, you need one bottle or a couple, maybe a few backups, but you don't.
Yeah, I mean, like you got your wallets, and then I mean, if you're able to snag like Taco Bell.Near or something like that, like I mean, or something crazy like something AI related that you think or. I don't know, something along those lines, right? Like if you're able to snag something really nice like that, like DevHub.Near, like whoever was able to grab that, like they knew they were gonna want that wallet, right? And they knew they were gonna be able to sell it. So if you're able to snag something that you think you can flip, but if you're just grabbing crazy names that you're into, like I don't know, if you grabbed,
bro.
No,
you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start quote tweeting. I'm gonna start quote tweeting these and see if there's a market for it and see if people like it and if it gets any exposure. I'm gonna start tweeting and just see if there's anyone who's interested at all and see if there's a market. Because imagine that I start tweeting and they start going crazy.
This is like going to a baseball game for a bobblehead giveaway and like you leave with like 10 bobbleheads. Where it's like those could have gone to a kid who would have really enjoyed it, but instead you want to act like, oh well, I'm a collector. I'm a memorabilia collector.
You are looking at it from one perspective.
I'm leaving the stadium with. That's what. This
No, you are looking at it from one perspective. Someone is collecting it. Don't look at it like this. Look at it for someone who wants to use a wallet and he wants that domain to use it. Why you're looking from it at someone is buying 3, 4, or 5 wallets? You look at it of someone buying a main wallet, one main wallet.
That's fine. 3, 4, 5.
Like
What
if
about the
someone
guy
now
that-
minted a 10 baht DAO wallet .near, you will tell me you will not spend 20 years to get the domain for us?
No.
I would.
What about the guy
If
that
someone
walks
minted
around
all the
stadium?
10 baht domain wallet, if someone minted all 10 baht domain wallet, you will tell me you will not need it?
No.
I would.
No. Out of principle.
I would.
Yeah.
It's the branding. It's what you are buying. It's your branding. It's your wallet, on-chain wallet, you know. So you can look at it from different perspective. I understand your perspective, but you're looking at it from collector
sure you
perspective.
do.
I'm looking from it as a user case perspective.
Yeah.
DevHub didn't pay 1,000 near because they
Well, in
wanna
case talk
look
about-
cool.
To only accepting near, then I think we're okay with Taco Bell.near, right?
No, DevHub didn't pay
If I
1,000 near
got-
because they own a cool wallet. You know, they bought it because it's their branding. That's the thing, you know.
No, the thing is, if I got Taco Bell.near, I'm not selling that shit. Like that would be
Why?
my wallet.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. Like, use it. Like that
That's a
wallet
good point.
deserves to
I've
be
got some
out
good
there
ones.
being
I've got some
used.
good ones. Let
Yeah.
me
What
show
do you
you
have
some.
there,
Take
Kate?
the car out of the garage
I've got
for
funny
from time
ones.
to time.
I've got
Take it for a
funny
spin.
ones. I've got like Planet Fitness.near. I've got like random ones like that I think are funny
Have,
that I grabbed.
how often do you use it? Because Soos thinks that people
Never.
are buying them to use it. Oh,
No, I
never.
buy them. I've got like 100. They're just sitting like, in a journal.
You
like,
don't
all
buy
those
them, man. You mint them, and you just keep them until someone wants to buy one of them. You can list
Well, I
them.
just felt FOMO. I was worried about someone taking it first, and you can mint them for like 8 cents. or
Exactly. It's
something.
free
So I
minting.
just minted
Like-
like 100 of them. So I just have a bunch of them. I've got some good ones. I'm gonna use some. Yeah, I have to go back.
You
into
gotta
the
bring it
chat.
home. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna start pumping and dumping everything.
But
I am
yeah,
gonna tweet this though. I am gonna tweet this thing about the top sales because I do want to see if anyone has any interest and if we get any kind of engagement and conversation in the comments. So, guys, if you're watching the stream, please engage with this tweet. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna say the top sale for a near domain is 1,000 near equal to around, what is that equal to?
I think I'm
Why
gonna go
can't
get.
I do
I'm
that in
about
my
to go get Soos.near.
it's not there, man. Trust me, and I try to buy it. If someone had it, I'm willing to buy Soos.near.
Any price. He'll name it.
No, I'm not gonna pay. I'm not gonna pay crazy amount of it. It's basically it's logical. Then it comes how much I want to spend on it. Okay, I'm not big as DevHub to buy account for 1,000 near. You know, but I would pay for my own domain to have my name on it. I have Soos Web3, so that's good enough. You know, but
I guess my thing is I like to buy things that I'm going to use, not that I'm just going to buy to like, put on the shelf.
Yeah. Of course,
Put
I'm
in
with
the
you.
attic.
I'm with you.
Put in
I'm
the
with
attic
you.
and just keep in storage forever.
No, I'm with you. I want to buy it to use it, and a lot of people buying it to use it. Not all of them buying it to collect it.
Sure. Yeah. No, I agree with that.
Yeah.
I agree with that. Those aren't the people I'm criticizing here.
Yeah, we agree on this point. I'm not gonna go and buy domain for 1,000 near if I'm not gonna use it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, at least we usually find like one agreement out of every like 500 points. So
I think so. That's what make the chat interesting. You know.
So you got
guys,
near
one
Wayne.
thing,
I better
Yeah,
go get Z.near before it sells. I mean, 1,500 near, like,
Cooked.
what are they doing marking it down so low?
Didn't Elia bought a domain
Yeah,
for?
Elliot did buy a big one.
Yeah, he bought one for a company that for a project wanted to come to near, and someone had it, right? And he offered it like live in X that I will buy it for them for this amount of money if someone has that domain.
I can't be the only person that feels this way.
There is a market for it, man.
There is
There is a market
There's
for
no
it.
way. I can't be. Like, there's no way.
You just can't get that. There is a market for it, and it's free to create domain wallet on near. You don't pay for it like ETH. It's literally doesn't cost you anything. You just go and create a domain wallet, and that's it.
Again, I know what to do. I know what the process is. That's
I'm
not
just
what-
explaining for people who don't know what we are talking about because they are a bit confused. You have people like no minted 400 wallet. One of them hit 1,000 near. Like, that's a good business there. Elia tweeted and
Yeah, but not a
about
good hit
wallet
rate.
domain.
Not a good hit rate if you're only hitting 1 out of 4,000. Like regardless of
you're
what
getting
regardless of what the ROI is,
yeah.
1 out of 4,000 is not a very good hitting percentage.
I know some people sold like bunch of them. You can say okay, reasonable price, guys. If someone had Zack, for example, Zack.near, and someone is selling it for 5 near, you wouldn't go and pay like 3 near for it, Zack. Come on. We are talking about the big sale 1,000, but there's a lot of wallet at 1 near, half near, 2 near. It's like $5 for your domain wallet.
Here's what I'll compare it to is like, and just because I'm a gamer, is like skins in video games, right? Like I will pay to customize my look in a community that I'm spending a lot of time in, right? So like I'm spending a lot of time in here. People are gonna see, like sometimes people see the wallet, right? Like not all the time because you're not trading with it all the time, right? But if you want to have like a cool wallet with a fun name, like I get it, right? FAR protocol, they can call it lame, but you could have
that's a good point, Monza.
Here, and tell me where else.
That's a good point.
All
Sorry,
I'm gonna say is, you better hope that
wait.
doesn't spin up this project because I might have to buy every single FAR wallet that exists.
FAR protocol.near. Listen, but this is a good point. Monza said, I played Apex Legends for a lot of time.
For 5 near.
Listen, I played
What about
Apex
FAR.near? Is FAR.near? Somebody has that.
Fart.
Oh my God.
Do you have fart.near as in FART?
No.
Fart?
Listen, fart. Yeah, this is a good one. Listen, I played Apex Legend as a gaming perspective, and I spent $400 to get my heirloom that I can never trade it, just because I can hold it in my hand while I'm playing the game. That's something people into. It's like collectible skins.
That feels like not a like. That's like a false.
Gamer spin.
I don't feel like that's like
an accurate comparison.
Like customization aspect, and that's cool, right? Like that's a novelty. But then the fact that you could also sell it, it's just one more thing that adds to the coolness of the customization, I think.
Thank you, Monza.
I wish, and again, that's like, we're just making a little comparison. We're making a stretch here, right? But like, if all of the light skins that I bought, which I've spent probably thousands of dollars on over the 11 years of the game, right? Like, if there was a
every gamers know how much money you spend on skins, yeah.
It's just not the vibe. It just feels like bad vibes. Speaking of bad vibes.
So lame.
Yo, FAR protocol, will you be interested to come up in the podcast and talk with us?
We all have. It's nice. We're all kind of developing our own enemies out in the eco. I have FAR. FAR is my enemy. Soos has the father, the purge father. So.
They are not my enemy. What do you mean, man? I shield them in daily basis.
Well,
what do you mean, bro?
Stop
spinning off things off the bat in there. I have some enemies on years, but not enemy, nemesis. But yeah, I'll keep that aside.
By the way, guys, let me know what you guys think about this. These are the top sales. Wow,
that's the top sales. Yeah. I mean, what's cheap wallet that is cool in there? Cost 2 near. Okay, so just a little bit of metrics to throw in there to end this topic is the metrics of NameSky. They have 3,309 minted 2,355 listed, and they generated over 4,552 near in volume. Okay, so the minted one, guys, is because when you own your wallet, you can just connect your wallet and click on mint, and it will mint your wallet to NFT, and then the one who will buy it is just gonna buy it off for you and basically like unwrap it from NFT to a wallet, and then you can use it and rotate the keys and everything else. Okay, so that's how basically it works.
Yeah,
But
I guess to
the
clarify,
tech,
that's
the
not
tech is cool, right? Because Near the tech of Near allows you to literally wrap the whole wallet into a freaking NFT and
to
unwrap
clarify
it. You know?
my stance. All of that part is cool. I like all of that. All of that. What I am anti are the wallet hoarders that take up like 5,000 wallets and like, you know, that's what are we doing here? What are we doing?
Look, we're trying to make a bag, bro.
There are better ways. There are better ways.
There are worse ways.
there definitely are worse ways. It's not as bad as rugging, but it's
Actua.
yeah, it's just not my jam.
But why don't we end with this in one or two sentences? Final thoughts on Haktua, this coin that launched and died in 5 minutes. Maybe we'll start with Monza.
All right, yeah, dude, I'll start. I think it is awesome that during the space, when Hawk Tua, Miss Haley Welsh, was asked how much she was paid, she said she was going to sleep and left the space.
Really?
Yeah, dude, that's like how it ended. She just went to bed. None of the questions were answered.
God, bro. She must have made a bag.
What else? We got the we got a couple people working on 10 bot coins for logos for us, but I do really like the little contest idea. So I think we will have to spin up.
We need to provide details.
Yeah, create a logo contest. Me, Soos, and whoever's up, we'll figure out the criteria that we want in there for sure, and we'll.
I mean, I could be wrong, but I thought something personable would be funny. Like in my head, I thought of like bobbleheads, but like bobblehead characters that like those street artists in like New York City paint with like the bobblehead character looking people, and I thought with like a Thailand vibe, with like tropical trees. That's like part of this logo, and I'm like picturing this like retro Cartoon Network logo thing with like multiple faces in it and heads. It was just like this idea that popped in my head. I'll see if I can find a photo that's representing kind of what I'm thinking of, but I think that would be an interesting one. We don't have, because we can have multiple logos, obviously, because branding is infinite. You know, you can have tons of logos and stuff like that. So that was one of them that I was thinking of. So it's
a coin, right? It can have two sides. Like.
True. Well, I just mean in general, like 10 bot branding. I think it's funny. So anyways, Soos, we'll go over to you next.
Yo, yeah, thank you everyone for watching me and Zack ranting about NameSky and wallet domains. It was a very productive conversation. Yeah. Again, guys, thank you everyone for watching, and please don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Okay, and don't blame other for your losses. Listen, I can sit here and I will tell you I'm freaking bullish at Nico. I am holding big bags in Nico. I can chill the shit out of it, but that doesn't mean you just jump in there and just buy it, or jump in there and just buy Perch, or jump and buy anything that someone tell you to buy. Always do your own research. Always have a backup plan, you know. And yeah, just don't go all in, guys. Come on, be smart about it, right? There is a lot of opportunity to make money in crypto, and it's not like that one thing where like all in or nothing. It doesn't work like that. It's just steady, you know, and you probably can get some good investment or returns. So there is more into it, just meme coins. There is more into it, just tech. There is more into like Web3. Explore it, you know, and please stay safe, everyone, and careful. And thank you from my end and the boys for you like supporting the stream and joining it. Much appreciated.
Also, breaking news: Soos has become a verb, so you can get Soos now. I'm not sure exactly what this means, but Soos is now developed into a verb. So
Soos
be
not
sure
near.
to. Yep. All right. What are you thinking,
I
Soos
wonder
out
who
far.
has it.
Zach? What are you thinking, bro? Final thoughts.
Zack versus Far Protocol. Dot near.
Well, you asked for the thoughts on the Hawk 2 situation, which it's just, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed, right? It's just like, can we stop
Guys,
with
Zach,
this?
Zach was a big buyer of this token.
No.
He was in this.
You know that is not something that I would ever. I didn't even want anything to do with it. I didn't want to watch any of the shit about it. I didn't want to listen to it. I wanted
He was
to basically
horrified. He lost all.
I wanted to ignore that it was
I watched
happening
this.
as a whole, because it was just, it's just not. It's not what I don't know. It's not catered to me, I presume, but the people that it is supposed to be catered on, it's predatory towards. So I don't know why they would enjoy that. I don't know why people continue to want to get these celebrity coins that, and again, I know this is certainly going to come off as probably a little hypocritical as we're trading meme coins and having fun and doing all that, but I don't know. I don't put them in the same realm, because they were with those, there was like promises of more, or they're like, they're trying to lead people on to believe that, hey, there's going to be meetups and whatever.
Yeah,
I don't know.
you gotta think of like who the community is, right? Like, and who they're selling it to, right? Like the people on meme.cooking are there because they're there to buy absolute, I shouldn't say this, right? Because I'm not shitting on meme cooking here, but like, what you get, right? Like, this is a shit coin, like you know what you're getting into. Like, but the people that are buying a Haley Welch coin or whatever, talk to it, right? Like, it's pretty predatory.
It's a shameless grift, is what it is. It's a completely shameless grift. And it's not, she's not the first and won't be the last. It's going to continue. There's going to be more. I just, I'm not going to sit here and be one of the people that's like, oh, well, this is holding up adoption, because what even is adoption, right? Like, what is it even a thing? Are we going to? It's not going to stop anything from advancing on blockchain or the usage of blockchain technology, but it does just kind of like, I just don't like the grifting. That's really what it comes down to. Don't like the grifting, which in a way, I guess, is kind of the same stance I have on the 4,000 wallet mentors. It's grifting.
Interesting. Bender's thinking you're feeling bearish and
confused and conflicted.
It's existential, even a little bit, around this Hawk to it token.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I hate it.
Oh, okay. The truth has come out.
No, I thought that was clear. I thought that was already clear.
No, it was clear, but there's clear, and then there's saying it. It's a difference there. So I love it. I love the conviction. I really don't have any thoughts on the Hawk to it situation. I didn't know it was happening until today. I don't think. So no real thoughts on that. In regards to the branding, is Bender like a minute behind? Like, I feel like all these comments are coming in like right after, and I can't tell. I'm like, get off your wallet. What does that even mean? Anyways, in regards to branding in the Near Protocol ecosystem, I think what works really well is when the founder is super convicted about whatever it is they're convicted in, and they just go all in. They don't give a rip about anyone else. They don't care if they have funding or not. They just somehow keep getting things done. And people just want to be part of that because it's so like magnetizing, I think. It's just like alluring. What's up, Zach?
No, I don't want to interrupt that. One thing that I was thinking more along the lines of like the celebrity token is like what it does is it kind of slows down something that could be used really cool, like say for a music artist, where they could use maybe NFTs or token or some way to interact with fans, some way to like, enhance the fan experience for whether that is for celebrities, musicians, whatever. There are paths towards fan tokens being something that is a cool thing and useful. However, when we have things like this, it makes that take a step back, because then people are less likely to want to utilize that sort of thing. Monza, you talked about the Linkin Park one, right? The Linkin Park and how they were doing really cool stuff.
Yeah, I was just going to mention that, right?
Yeah.
Like we've seen all of these struggles with like Taylor Swift and her pre-sales and all this stuff, right? And Linkin Park executed an absolutely perfect pre-sale for their world tour. I mean, it might not be getting talked about, but probably just as much, if not like one level below the demand of this Taylor Swift tour, right? And there were no issues with the pre-sale. And the way they did it was you went on their website, you paid either $25 or $75 for the Linkin Park Underground like club, right? Which they've had from the beginning. You've been able to become a member of this. And you got, basically, it wasn't an NFT, it wasn't on chain, but you got a pass, and it was customized to you. It had your name on it, and it was like your NFT. And then you got another one that had a code on it, and that was your pre-sale code. And you use that to buy tickets. And you just went in there, bought the tickets, boom, no problem. You got like a few extra benefits with joining the pre-sale, and then you're part of like the Linkin Park Underground, and you get access to like their entire catalog of music, which isn't available anywhere else except for if you buy that membership, right? Like there's like 20 records on there that you only get access to if you buy that. And be like, dude, if this is basically an NFT that gives you access to all these things, but it doesn't have the NFT label and it's not on chain, probably because of the reputation that all these other projects have had, right? Like if Linkin Park were to be like, buy this NFT and do this, probably 5% of the people, not even, that did it would have done it, just because of the shitty reputation that all these other projects like Hawk Tua have done. So I don't know. It was a pretty cool experience, and I messaged Zach. I was like, dude, I wish this was an NFT. Like it was so cool.
Wow, very cool. Tied to some good memories. That's dope. Yeah, that's a cool part of blockchain for sure. Well, listen, guys, I was gonna say, for anyone who's listening still and watching the stream, appreciate all of you who are coming through and supporting. If you guys could help us out and quote tweet the space or the stream, we really, really appreciate you guys coming through. And please give a follow to all four of us. And engage with the content. We're going to try and keep the Near Protocol ecosystem fed on the entertainment side of things. Hoping, man, I'm just ready for this. I don't know why psychologically this year feels pretty much like the only year, or maybe that's not true, but this year feels particularly important with the inauguration coming up right after. We've got 2025, just like the allure of what's over the horizon for what's possible for Bitcoin, now that we've quite literally crossed $100,000 so much earlier than I thought we were going to, that I'm not sure what to do now, because that was so fast, and we're at 103, and I'm just like, oh, okay, so all the people saying like 120, 150, now I'm starting to be like, wait a second, are we gonna fold way faster than we thought, or is it gonna be a way longer bull market than we think? And so I'm just trying to get left behind, bro. I just want to make sure I'm taking profit each week. So hopefully, as things go up, we're all pulling little bits of profit in case things end early, in case there's a pullback, all that kind of stuff. So anyways, appreciate all of you coming through. We'll see you all later. I'm not sure when the next stream will be. We'll see what happens. I'll be at Art Basel tomorrow for the next few days until Sunday. So we'll see if we can start up a stream. I'm not sure what to expect, but
if Kate's not here, we'll spin up a stream somewhere. We'll keep it going. Me and Soos at least. We'll definitely figure something out. So keep your eyes peeled for the rest of us if Kate's not going live.
Spam 10 bot in the chat. Spam 10 bot everywhere. Comment 10 bot. Let's just get this 10 bot out there. I want to see 10 bot everywhere, bro. This is what I mean. Ready? Boom. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. 10 bot. I want to see this everywhere. 10 bot needs to be so prominent that I have no choice but to add it to my bio or something one day. It needs to be that level of ingrained into the Near ecosystem until people are just like, we need this token. Until Shih Tzu's like, Zack, we need this token today. We need this launched. And then they're just like, we'll give you anything you want. And then you know, Monza's like, I have everything I need. And then we're just like, crap. And then we're at a standstill. And then the token, okay, never mind. We're going to end the stream. Goodbye, everyone.